Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography and what is our topic today? Distribution of abiotic resource. There is an important point here. Distribution of abiotic resource here. A land resource. First point here, a land resource. Land resource is a abiotic resource here. India is covered on area of 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. There is the most important for UBC examination here. 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. India cover the area here. According to the area size, it is the seventh largest country of the world after the Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, and Egypt. You know that there is an important point here. The sixth country here, Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, and Egypt. There is come to the number of seventh largest country in a seventh point of India here. The basin size itself is the most important resource. About 30% of area is covered by the mountains, which are the source of scenics of beauty, perennial rivers, home and forest and wildlife here. About 43% of land area is a plant which is highly suitable for agriculture, remaining about 27%. Under the plateaus is the storehouse of mineral and metal here. The next here, water resource. There is an important point here, water resource here. India is fortunate to have a large water resource here. And diversity in resources is a result of diversity in a land in form of glacier. The surface river and underground water, rain and oceans. The average annual rainfall in estimate at 170 centimeter. The important point here, the annual rainfall on the resource and water is 170 centimeter only. The rivers are major source of surface water in India. The rivers are major source of surface water in India. The Indo and the Ganga, the Brahmaputra carry about 60% of the total surface water. Replaceable groundwater potential in India is about 434 billion cubic meters. There is important here of 434 billion cubic meters. Today, over 70% of the population use groundwater for its domestical needs, and more than half of the irrigation is obtained from this source. There is an important point here. The next here, mineral resource. Mineral resource here, India is a very rich in a mineral resource and has a potential to become an industrial power. It possesses a large source of iron ore is extensive deposit of coal. The mineral oil rich deposit of bauxite and mica. The Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh possess a large concentration of mineral deposit here, and accounting for the nearly 3/4 of country as a coal deposit. Other important minerals found in our country are iron, ore, manganese, mica and bauxite and radioactive minerals here. The next point is the most important in the box here. The India is the seventh largest area size country of the world. There is a most important point here. Note down your notebook. The average annual rainfall is estimated at 170 centimeter. The Indus, the Ganga and Brahmaputra river system carry up 60% of the total surface water available in a country. And the next point is Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha possess a large reserve of iron ores and bauxite and mica. There is an important point here.